Hey, what's up everybody? Corey Glenn. I was just actually setting some digital denture teeth and realized that it'd be worth recording this process of actually setting them in. So I thought I'd just do these last four where you could see them. So what's cool about this is that, we're printing the base with the sockets already made. I've got a little dust on here where I trimmed around some edges. But you use the exact same resin to bond the teeth in as you would for printing the base. Okay, so this is again UV light cured resin, and it obviously cures exceptionally well to itself, and it also cures very well to the denture teeth. So what I do is I put a little bit into each well. It doesn't take much because there's only about a 0.2 millimeter, I guess you would call, slop space between these teeth and the base. And so now I can take my teeth. They've never had wax on them or anything like that. They're clean. See how that pops in? And it's going to extrude a tiny bit of that material out along the gum line of the teeth. Alright, so the totality of setting these denture teeth and bonding them into the base was under 5 minutes. I mean, exceptionally fast. And then I'll also come back after I've popped these in and I just run a tiny bead right along here. Now the other beauty of digital dentures is for polishing, you're looking at it. I mean, there's nothing in the world that's going to get a better polish than this resin just painted on in an incredibly light, thin coat that shines it up. And once you've hit this in the curing oven, aka the hood of your truck out in the sun, this thing is going to be rock hard and highly, highly polished. Now just for setting teeth, I will do that with a curing light. And so I'm going to just tack cure these in. And then they're going to be set in place and I don't have to worry about accidentally knocking them out. And this is where also, if you wanted to do some characterization of the gingiva, you could come back with some light cured resin, something like annex gum, incorporated in at this point. And you can make these as fancy as you want to make them, but you can kind of see the difference here between the area that's been, let's say, polished. Really, it's just resin painted on there, versus the area that hasn't. And we're just going to continue that process to smooth this up. Beats the heck out of pumice and all the mess that creates. You most certainly could pumice it if you were so inclined, but I would much rather do this myself. Alright, see the difference, how that's such a shiny, wet look? So you get the idea. I just wanted to show that process very quickly.